Hey guys, look at this business card. There's nothing on it, as you can see. Nothing, no information on WhatsApp. Or is it? See, contact details here. So this is actually an NFC tag. Today I'm going to be showing you how to program an NFC tag using your phone to store your contact information, or to even run shortcuts maybe on your iPhone, or to activate scenes if you've got Home Assistant at your house. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is my PC setup right here. So if I take my phone like this and come here and tap my Google, switch off the PC light. Okay. So if I take my phone like this and come and tap here, you should wake my PC and the light behind the PC, as you can see here. So my PC just turned on and my light behind my PC just turned on just by tapping there. So what is this? What is this NFC tag thing that I'm talking about? So an NFC tag is basically just, it's a chip. There's a chip inside here that allows wireless data transfer use. What these do, they store a little bit of information, a small amount of information, like your contact details or your website, link, things like that. So yeah, and you can also, with this information, you are able to actually run automations. You can turn on the lights when you tap with your phone, or to turn on your computer, things like that, to turn on and off things. Basically, that's just it. So to get started with NFC, you need to go to your Play Store or to your App Store. Then there's this app called NFC Tools, as you can see here. It's the most recommended application. So just click on it, install the NFC Tools app. As you can see here, we're installing it, and I've got this brand new NFC tag. It's in the plastic, guys, as you can see. I don't want to remove it because it's too fresh. But yeah, guys, they cost like nothing. Okay, open. So here we just do next, close. Okay, welcome to NFC Tools, blah blah blah. All right, welcome to NFC Tools. What do we want to do here? So we want to, okay, let's go to other. Let's erase format memory. Let's first format this NFC tag, because sometimes to actually be able to use this NFC tag, you need to format it, because sometimes they might give you some compatibility issues. So let's just format it. Okay, it's formatted, as you can see here. So you want to write something here. So we come here, we add a record, as you can see, add a record. And there's a whole bunch of stuff, as you can see. You can play along with everything that's here. There's text, URI, whatsoever, search, blah blah blah, a link to a video. There's a whole lot of stuff. But today we just want to store just basic contact information. So we come here, we go to tags. We write here tags, input, output, IO. As you can see here, what's the phone number? We want to write a phone number, maybe 067-106-8975. We just use the diamond phone number. Then this contact is right here, as you can see. Now we want to go to where it says write. It's saying 71 bytes. So we write here, check, it's complete, just like that. We are done. So how do we use this? Come here on your phone, tap behind like this, tap on behind the phone like this, and the phone is going to show you the contact information. Simple, basic. So our next automation is going to be turning on and off this strip light. As you can see here, I've got a strip light behind here. So that's the automation. We're going to be using Home Assistant. Sorry for those who don't know what Home Assistant is, you can move along. But if you're interested, you can also just watch. Maybe you might be inspired to get Home Assistant. Home Assistant is just a home automation software that runs maybe on your local hardware, your laptop, your old PC. And yeah, basically that's Home Assistant. If you have got any questions about Home Assistant, comment below. I'll be happy to actually answer you and everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna erase this text so that we can use it for Home Assistant. Erase the text. Erased. So we're going to Home Assistant now. Home Assistant. So what you need to do, you go to Home Assistant settings, you scroll down where it says Set Up NFC Tags. This is where you set up your NFC tag. So we're gonna write this as strip light on and off. That's basically it. Create and write tag, then we tap the tag like this. We've created and written the tag. We click here, we tap here where it says create automations, then we create an automation. So it's saying every time when you tap on something, we want an automation to happen. So we can set this to actually turn on a computer, to turn on anything that's on Home Assistant. Home Assistant is very cool, guys. I love Home Assistant. So yeah. So what we wanna do, this is where it says and if, these are optional, these are conditions. Maybe you want your automation to happen maybe only in the middle of the night, only maybe around 6 to 8 p.m. These are the conditions that you put here. But what we wanna do, we just wanna set it so that it can actually turn on and off the light. So we come here where it says then do add action here. Want the device. My device is a strip light. So strip light. So here we don't want to turn it off, we don't want to turn it on, we want to toggle it. What toggle does is that when it's on, when you tap on it, it goes off. When it's off, it goes on. But if you set it like on, turn off strip light, it's just gonna be turning off the strip light. No matter, even if it's off, it's just gonna attempt to turn off the strip light. So when I tap on it where it says toggle strip light, then yeah, that's just basically it. I think we're done with automation here. We just need to save it. Yeah. Tag light, I think that's basically it. It's fine. So we come back here, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna, oh, my strip light went off, strip light went on again. Oh my goodness. All right, the automation is already working. That's how sensitive it is on Android phones. On iPhones it's a bit tricky, so it works but not as efficient as on Android. So as you can see here, I've got this. This is my strip light here. I've got the NFC tag. I'm not doing anything, just tapping on the phone. What the? Okay, turned on, just tapping on the phone. As you can see. So yeah, that's just basically how it works. Sometimes it doesn't work, maybe like the first time, I don't know what was that, but those are like tech problems. So last but not least, this one is for iPhone users. So we're gonna be using the shortcuts app to actually program an NFC tag and to do an automation. But I'll say these automations on the shortcuts are mainly more personal, like it's for one person, I'd say, because normally you program your phone to do what it wants to do. You can't program this card to do on every phone. I don't know if you get what I mean. Yeah, but we're gonna start here. We're gonna erase this card first or format it. I don't know which one is best, but we're gonna erase it so that we don't have any compatibility issues. Format memory, continue. Oh my goodness, iPhone is starting. See, those are the problems with iPhones. Format, continue. I have no idea what's happening, but yeah, I do get these problems with iPhones. Let me just erase the tag. So it erased the tag. Format the card, format the tag. I have no idea. I can't format, but I just erased it. So it's fine. We're just gonna go with erase tag. So, okay, go to shortcuts on the shortcuts application here. So we want to run an automation. We go here. So with this, you can run any shortcut. Let's say on your phone. Let's say you've got a shortcut that does something on your phone. So you can actually run it as an automation. If you tap the tag, then something happens. So we're gonna go to automation. We're gonna add an automation here. So where it says NFC, see, when I tap an NFC tag, let's scan this NFC tag. So it's scanned. So we're gonna say it voice memo, because I want to start recording some voices. So we're gonna go to say run immediately. Then let's tap and see if it works. Oh my goodness, with iPhones. Or maybe let me stop recording the screen, because I feel like maybe it's also utilizing the same microphone that I'm using to record the screen. Let me stop recording the screen. I will try and show you here if you can see. All right, just tap. Okay, create a record and allow create. So it's recording right now. I think it's because it was the first time doing it, that's why it did like that. Let's start again. I guess that's how it works, guys. I'm sorry. So you still need to click allow, but there are some things that you don't need to click allow. I think it's because of it's using the microphone. It's a sensitive issue. Maybe that's why it's actually asking me to click allow. But basically, some automations you just tap on it, it happens. So yeah, that's how you program an NFC tag on an iPhone. Well, anyway, guys, I did a video automating on how I turn on this TV with the voice assistant. Look at this. Google, turn on the TV. So you see, my TV is turning on right now. So I used an IR Plus. So if you want to know how I actually did this, check on the video right here. I did a step-by-step video showing how I actually did it. So yeah, cheers.